Hi guys, back with another video. Today we are going to make another part of a logic gate, that is the NAND gate, which is basically known as the derived gate, and this is been derived from the basic gates which are known as AND, OR and NOT gate. So this is what the truth table representation of the NAND gate, and this is the circuit symbol for the NAND gate. And I have taken two switches in the same manner that I did for the earlier two gates, and those switches are input switches A and B, and this is the main switch. Again, I had placed this main switch to close the circuit whenever I want and avoid the heating of the circuit. So this is what the connection or circuit connection for this NAND gate, and we are going to test the outputs displayed by the inputs given. So again I am going to say 0 means off and 1 means on according to the digital logics. So let us test the outputs now. So guys, I'll just give the logic inputs and then on the main switch, thus completely closing the circuits. So for the first part, the A logic input is 0. So let this be at 0. This is at 0. And for the B part, the B logic input is 1. So let this be on. This is already on, showing that B's logic input is 1. So what is the output? Let's test by oning the main switch. 0 1, the output is 1 as the LED is oning or brightened up. And again, so both are off in now, and when you take A1 input and B0 input, thus A1 and B0, thus oning the main switch, again the output is 1 as the LED is brightened up. So guys, we'll take A is equals to 0 input and B is equals to 0 input, and this means offing both switches and oning the main switch. As both switches are off now, as you can see, 0 at the downward stage. When you on the main switch, the LED is lightened up and the output is 1 here. And for the last one, that is A is equals to 1 input and B is equals to 1 input. Let's test out the output. This means oning the both switches. Now you can see the output is 0 as the LED is not lightened up. So this is what the truth table proof of the NAND gate, and let's check out how the circuit works, and hence the NAND gate table is been proved, and this is the circuit symbol. Guys, I had connected the circuit like this by connecting the main switch to the LED and connecting two switches in series basically, and then I had connected this two switch series combination in parallel with the LED, as you can see in the circuit presented here. So after connecting the circuit like this, you will get basically an AND gate connected to a NOT gate. Thus the whole gate becomes NAND gate. That's why it is known as the derived gate. So let's understand the circuit more deeply. So guys, as you can see in the circuit that the LED is been directly connected to the battery and the two switches in parallel with a main switch to allow the current flow. So when you give A0 and B0 input, thus both switches are off, thus opens the circuit and doesn't make the second wire of the circuit the part of the circuit. So when you give inputs as 0 0, 1 0 and 0 1 respectively, the second wire does not become the part of the circuit. So thus the output displayed is 1. So guys, for 0 0 input, the and 1 0 input and 0 1 input, the outputs are respectively 1, because the circuit or the second wire which is connected in parallel with the LED is not completely closed. Thus when 1 1 input is provided to the circuit, the second wire is completely connected in parallel to the LED, and thus the LED has low resistance connected in parallel to it. Thus more current flows through the low resistance through the LED, and thus you can see that the LED stops glowing. Thus, this is the working of the NAND gate circuit. For more information, you can check this photo. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.